guys. So, don't mind them. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's a giveaway that is really, really important to me. Alright, so today we are going to be giving away, it's actually a trade giveaway. I'll be right back. I really have to go to the bathroom. Cookie Monster? Yes, Alvin? I'm at Alvin. Sorry, forgot. Yes, Steve? Yeah, can you please take care of the, video for me right now? Thanks. Okay. Give away a cookie! No, that's not what you're supposed to do. Okay. Okay, everybody. So, Sebastian really wants a Kermit puppet. He really wants a Kermit puppet. Cookie, gotta go eat some Cookie Monster. You know what, Big Bird? You just take over for the rest of my video. Oh, my thanks. Alright, so Sebastian really, he's actually cried once because he doesn't have a Kermit puppet. So if any of you have a Kermit puppet, he will trade you 2 things. A Harry Potter wand, and the other thing, a Kermit amp. It is actually pretty good now. If it does work. You can see the light lighting up right there, and it turns off now. It does work pretty good, but guys, seriously, if you have a Kermit puppet, please message me, write to me, something. But seriously, I would like a Kermit puppet, and if you want to give me a Kermit puppet, it will be in the link in the description below. So please, guys, if you do have a Kermit puppet, please, I am begging you. I really want this. And if you watch this video, you have to put a comment on either yes or no if you have it. And if you do have it, please give it to me. Or maybe you could buy another one for me on the internet, because this year it's gonna be my first holiday video for Christmas. Well, I'm gonna do Halloween, but it's gonna be my first Christmas video and Thanksgiving and all that. So yeah, guys. So please, I'm begging you. I will give you that. I am dead serious. I will give you